How to upload video on Google Drive and share link. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link with your friends or colleagues. It's super easy and you'll have your video uploaded in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Before we start uploading, make sure you have your video file ready. If you have a video file on your computer, it should be in a common format like MP4, AVI or MOV. Now let's move on to the upload process. Alright. First things first, open your Google Drive. If you're not signed in, simply log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Google Drive home page over here. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon. From there, a menu will appear saying upload file. Simply tap on it. From there, you will find two options, that is photos and videos or browse. Simply tap on photos and video. Now, simply choose the video that you want to upload. Let's say this is the video that I want to upload. Now simply choose the video. You can choose how many you prefer. Once you've done that, simply tap on upload. Now your video will be uploaded over here. As you can see, I just uploaded it and it has been uploaded. Now let's share our video. Simply tap on the three dots and simply tap on share. From here, you can simply add people to whom you want to share. Like this, you can give access to this person and simply tap on three dots. You can manage access and you can give the access to simply watch or edit. And simply after that, tap on send and the link will be sent to your person. And that's it. That's how you can simply upload and send the video in Google Drive.